According to recent news that Samsung might increase the pricing of its high-end phones, starting with the Galaxy S23. This price hike is possible in Australia, Europe, South Korea, and many other countries worldwide. However, the company could compensate for the price hike with a special pre-order offer. Tipster Roland Quan spotted specific terms and conditions on Samsung UK's business website. The information reveals that pre-ordering any Galaxy S23 series device will allow buyers to get a free upgrade to a higher storage variant. For example, if someone pre-orders a Galaxy S23 by paying for its 128GB version, they will get a 256GB version without any additional charge. Similar is the case with the Galaxy S23 Plus and the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So most users in the UK will get a 256GB version of the Galaxy S23, while Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra buyers who pre-order the device will get 512GB versions of the phones as they start at 256GB for their base versions. A similar pre-order offer could be available in most parts of the world, but not all. Last year, too, Samsung had a similar offer for the Galaxy S22 series in the US and some other markets, but the offer could be widespread this time. In addition, the company is offering a $50 in-store Samsung credit to those who pre-reserve a Galaxy S23. The South Korean firm may also provide additional pre-order benefits in many countries, but those offers might vary depending on the market. A number of tipsters have shared, yet again, official promotional materials of the Samsung Galaxy S23 lineup, some of them intended to be used as part of Samsung's pre-order campaign. The images showcase the Galaxy S23 lineup in all its glory, with each model being depicted in its default color option. For the Galaxy S23, this is Cotton Flower. For the Galaxy S23 Plus, Misty Lilac, and Botanic Green for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. In layman's terms, these shades correspond roughly to beige, pink, and green respectively. Roland Quan, another very reliable source, also shared a promotional image showcasing the Galaxy S23 Ultra via a tweet. The plethora of minor leaks and a couple of unboxing videos is hardly surprising that industry insiders have managed to get hold of official promotional images a full week before the formal announcement. Based on everything we know thus far, there will be no surprises on Wednesday next week. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Comment down below. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.